Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing 3 unboxings. Now let me just show you the parcels that we have. We have 1, we have 2, and this third one is a very, very large one. So let's get straight into it. Let's start off with, let's move these out of the way. Now I'm pretty sure I know what this one is, but the other 2 I'm not so sure of. So let's leave the one that I know what it is till last, and let's start off with the other 2. So let's start off with the smaller one of the 3 first, and let's have a little look what we have inside this parcel. Now this arrived today. All 3 of these parcels actually arrived today. I've just got home from work and all 3 of them were here waiting for me. So I decided to do them all together, and I have no idea who this one is from or what it is. So this is going to be a surprise for all of us. Hopefully it's not another item of clothing. For those of you that saw my unboxing the other day where I unboxed a belt. I'm just going to rip into it. Really nicely packaged, whoever sent this. Right, okay. What is this? Well, it looks like a box inside a box. So we're not really getting any further forward at the moment. Right, hang on a minute. Ah, right, there we go. Stuck very nicely on here. Right, so this was actually from Liquid Metals UK. So these arrived extremely quickly. I did not expect these to arrive that quickly. So that's why I wasn't expecting to be unboxing these in today's video. But these are 3 of the 1 ounce versions of the Queen's Beast Completer bar. I've actually got 1 of these 1 ounce versions, as you can see at the back there already, in the assay. And these ones are 3 that are just in the vinyl. So I decided to pick up 3 to add into the long-term stack, the deep stack if you like. I do think these are going to hold their premiums very nicely. I actually got them for a very nice price. Liquid Metals actually was selling them for £37.50, which is a lot cheaper than I've seen them elsewhere. Most places are doing them for £39 and up. So a really, really nice price. And like I said, this will be the first time that I've actually got them in this vinyl, because up till now I've only had the 1 ounce in this assay. So let's have a quick look at what they look like in this thing. I really like the way that he's packaged them individually. I am just going to rip this one though. Keep this one out of this wrapper. It's already got another layer of protection here. But you've seen this bar before. Those of you that follow Sai the Soundman's channel, you would have seen this bar around about 15 times before, because he has got a very, very nice collection of these Queen's Beast Completer bars. But yeah, really, really nice piece of silver. I might eventually cut one of these out and have one of them raw that I can play around with. But for now, we'll keep them all in their protective factory seals. So there we go. That is a nice way of starting today's video. 3 more ounces of silver added to the stack. So let's get into the second video. Now, it's quite convenient that we mention Sai's name, because I'm pretty certain that is Sai's very neat handwriting on this parcel. So I'm not exactly sure what he has sent over. I know he said he was trying to source me a capsule for my Queen's Beast Completer bar, my 10 ounce. But I'm guessing he sent me something else as well, because this package is extremely large to just have a 10 ounce capsule in it. So I'm not sure what he sent me here, but like I said, I do think it is from Sai, just judging by the extremely neat handwriting on the front of the package. Wow, look, it's got a few goodies in here. Look at this, I haven't seen that type of wrapping before. Right, let me just double check there's nothing else in the box. Nope, nothing else in there. Right, so this looks like spaghetti packaging or netting. I think that's what comes when you buy whiskies and bottles online. So there we go, that's really nice to pack it out and stop it rattling around. Right, so what have we got here then? Okay, right, so let's start off with this one here. This is really exciting. Still not 100% sure if it's from Sai or not. I'm assuming it is just because of the handwriting. Yes, we have a letter. Always love Sai's letters. Yes, it is from Sai. There we go. Right, so the mystery is over. It is definitely from Sai. It says, Dear 365, please find enclosed a capsule for your 10-ounce Queen's Beast completer bar. Yes, get in. Thank you very much. Also, there's a little gift from me to you too. All the very best, Sai the Soundman. Wow, okay. Very generous, Sai. Thank you very much. This is actually also a gift from Sai. He wouldn't let me pay him for this, so he's not only gifted me this 10-ounce Queen's Beast completer capsule, he's also sent me something else here as well. So, really generous. Thank you very much, Sai. And let's have a look at this capsule. Yes, there we go. The 10-ounce Queen's Beast completer capsule. Now, is it going to be easy to open? Is it going to be one of those capsules that's easy to open? Yes, it is. It's got a little lip there that you can get your finger into and pop it straight open. So yeah, that's absolutely brilliant. So massive thank you, Sai. Really, really appreciate it. It'd be nice to finally get my Queen's Beast completer in an airtight capsule. So that is really good. Thank you very much. I really struggled to get hold of one of those. There was someone that was selling them on Facebook. I haven't actually got Facebook, but someone reached out on my behalf, and within, I think it was about 15 minutes of the post going live, they'd already sold out of like 20 of them. So they are very popular and they are very hard to get hold of. So thank you, Sai, for sourcing that. And what is this? What have we got here? 20,000 leagues under the sea. What do we have? What a nice surprise. What a nice way to finish my working day. I've been up since 3 AM this morning at work. So to come home to not one, not two, but 3 parcels is a very nice surprise, especially ones like this that are gifts from people in the community. It's very, very kind of you. I'm trying my hardest to not damage whatever's inside here. I don't know if it's is it a picture frame? What is it? Oh, it's metal. It feels like it's metal. Really nicely wrapped. It's metal. Look at this. This is like one of those things that he has in the backdrop of his videos. This is really cool. Look, it's actually metal. And for those of you that have seen Sai's videos, you'll see that he has these dotted around in the backdrop of his videos. Now, I don't actually even know what that is. What does that word say? Nautilus. Alexa, what is Nautilus?
According to Wikipedia, a nautilus is any of the varied species within the cephalopod family Nautilidae. This is the sole extant family of the superfamily Nautilaceae and the suborder Nautilina.
Okay, that doesn't really help me identify what this is, but either way, it's a really, really cool rustic looking piece of art that I can put in the backdrop of my videos. So massive thank you, Sai. Do let me know in the comment section what this is. Is this something from a film? I really don't know. I'm really not sure. I'm really going to have to do some more research after. 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. Is that a film? Is that a program? Yeah, I'm really not sure, but let me know. But I'm going to pop it at the back there for now. Oh, it's going to fall down the back. No, it's not going to work there. Right, I will find somewhere for that to go. But thank you very much, Sai, and that is really, really kind, because I have made a few comments now on Sai's videos saying how much I like the artwork and things that he's got behind on his display. So it's very kind of him to actually send me one for my backdrop. So yeah, massive thank you, Sai. Really, really unexpected. And I'm looking forward to doing a little bit more research and working out what that is. And a massive thank you again for sourcing this capsule. Now, let's get into the final part of today's video. And I'll tell you what, I've just looked at how long I've been filming for already. And I've been filming for coming up to 10 minutes already. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it into 2 parts, because this deserves its own separate video. So yeah, we'll do that. We'll do 2 separate parts. We'll do one more unboxing here to make up for that one. It's got my address on the other side, so we're going to open it like this. But so I stay true to what I said at the beginning of the video, and I'm unboxing 3 things. We'll unbox this. I have no idea what it is, but it's brilliant. What a way to end the video. So we have some Working Hands hand cream. And for those of you that have noticed, my hands get very, very dry. The work and the job that I do really dries out my hands. And the problem is I don't like putting moisturiser on before I'm playing around with silver. So whenever I film videos, my hands always look quite dry because I don't want to get the moisture on my coins and things like that. And then when I finish filming, that's when I moisturise. So there we go. But I'd run out of moisturiser. So if it's not belts that I'm showing on this channel, it's hand cream. So we're really venturing out there away from precious metals, which is an interesting turn of events for the end of the video. But there we go. Get that on the hands, get them nice and moisturised, and that's how we're going to finish today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video. I will release that within the next couple of hours because I'm very keen to get into that next parcel. But yeah, thanks very much for watching, and I hope you have a very nice day.